Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a gorgeous little Marc Jacobs snapshot for you today. And I love the colour of this one. It's just super cool, metallic. We've got silver and we have gold as well. Got that gold hardware plus a sparkly silver and gold strap as well. I just love it. I really love metallic at the minute. We've just had in a super cute little metallic silver Celine wallet. Let's go with this perfectly. But let me talk you through all the features of it. So we have got a removable and adjustable strap. So it's a nice thick kind of webbing strap, super durable and super comfortable. And you can adjust it to however you like to wear it as well. It is just clipped on to either side. So you can take it off and have it as a little clutch as well, which is a nice option. And then we've got two compartments. So we have one flat pocket on the back here, and then inside we've got two compartments. So you can see we've got two zip closures along the top of there. So in this front one, we have just an open space in there. We've got a fabric lining. You can see the Marc Jacobs embossed into the top of there as well. And then in this back compartment, this zip at the back, inside there, we have got an extra little pocket. So we've got a little flat pocket just inside there as well. So it's a really useful little bag, and it's in a nice stiff leather as well, so it will keep that little snapshot shape really nicely. And it's in a gorgeous condition. So we've called the exterior excellent condition and the interior excellent condition. They are perfect. There's no wear to them at all for me to show you. They're all just completely perfect. I'll show you the inside again just quickly so you can see that there's no marks inside there. That is why I've called it excellent condition. The hardware we have called very good condition. It is so close to being excellent. Pretty much all of it is. There's not really any scratching or any wear for me to show you. It's just on the front here, and hopefully be able to see it because it is only tiny. There's just the tiniest little kind of indent, little scratch into this logo in the front. It's tiny. You would never ever notice it, but that is why we've called the hardware very good condition. If you would like to see it online, go to the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you straight to this on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but we do have a request list. So if you have been looking out for one of these, just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. We'll let you know next time one of these comes in, and you can get in there nice and quickly. But I will show you the size on me for reference before you do that though. So I am a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4". And with this strap, again, it's adjustable. So you can have it on your shoulder, you can have it crossbody, or you can take the strap off completely, and I will show you that. It's a really, really easy strap to take on and off. Not fiddly at all. So there you go, it just comes off nice and easily. And you've got a super cute little clutch bag as well. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the Marc Jacobs product tag. We've got a Marc Jacobs card sleeve with the care card inside there. And then finally, we have got the Marc Jacobs dust bag too. So again, if you'd like to see it on our website, go to the link in the description below. While you're on that link, while you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter, because we will send you through your welcome discount code to use on your first purchase, so don't miss out on that. And also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you have any gorgeous bags like this one that you're looking to sell. All the details you need to know are on that page, so have a read through there, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.